Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miraj and I'm 25 years old. I'm a student at FCC University and I'm also working from home as a freelancer. Apart from that, I had an issue of hair fall which began since last 4 years ago. And since then, I was hesitant to get any treatment for myself without any logical reason, hoping that it will fade away, this problem will go away and I will have good hair. Unfortunately, that could not happen. So I am at Hair Club. To get myself treated with one of the best surgeons out there in the region. And I got to know about Hair Club by a lot of people. They referred me that if you want to get treated for a transplant or a PRP, anything, you go to Hair Club, and that's why I'm over here. And today is my hair transplant, and it is a hybrid process in which I'll be getting myself treated. And apart from that, I just want to say that I'm hopeful that I will have a successful surgery, and now I will see you guys within few months to show you guys the result that was an outcome of my surgery. Thank you. My surgery start over here, as you guys can see. I'm really satisfied and impressed by all the personnel that are available over here, and they're working really passionately and with all commitment. जो उन्होंने मुझसे प्रॉमिस की थी चीज़ें, अभी तक तो वो मुझे पूरी तरीके से satisfy कर चुके हैं. And I hope that by the end of the procedure I will be 100% satisfied. The SOPs are on point. The staff is doing their job brilliantly, and as they promised, it will be a painless procedure. तो मुझे तक अभी कोई पेन फील नहीं हुई, to be very honest. And they've been checking my sample and everything has been normal until yet. I just hope कि बाकी आगे भी सब चीज़ें ठीक जाए. And I would really recommend, if anyone has any problem with hair fall and they need a solution, Hair Club is the place to come. Thank you.